TokenTap Tutorials, Setting Goals. This tutorial will show how to add or edit goals and their associated awards. We will add a new goal to complete 10 hours of instruction. Then we will do a quick overview of all the advanced features for goals and their associated awards. Let's get started. To set a new goal, enter the Goals area from the main menu. Click the Add New Goal button in the top right. The new goal page appears. Enter a title or name for the goal to be achieved. Use the default achievement title for the goal, or customize an award name for your specific needs. This title appears on the goal's printed award certificates and on the student ledgers when the goal's award is granted. Enter the amount of tokens to be awarded upon achievement. Categorizing goals is optional, but can be useful if there are lots of goals. After saving the goal, the new Goals profile page appears. Change a goal's status to inactive to remove it from the Goals area and the student's online reward shop. Change a goal's icon to one that suits the goal. Add your own custom icons with the plus button to the right. Optionally enter notes about this goal. These notes are visible to students and great for listing requirements to complete the goal. Set the goal's expiration dates and award limits. Be sure to save any changes. Choose the eligibility for this goal. Public goals are visible and achievable for all students. Assigned goals limit the goal's achievability. Limit the goals to selected classes of students or individually selected students. The Certificate tab is used for customizing and printing award certificates for the goal. Each certificate has an 8-character code that students enter in the online shop to redeem their tokens. Please let us know if you would like a separate tutorial on customizing and printing the award certificates. The History tab shows the transactional history of the goal's achievers. Thank you for watching the Setting Goals tutorial.